Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Humble Homestead Life. In today's video, I just wanted to talk about comparison and contentment. Now, I myself have fallen victim to comparison, and because we live in a society where we have social media at our fingertips, we can just get sucked into watching video after video of influencers living in their perfect homes and cooking their perfect meals and having Pinterest-worthy homes and bedrooms and furniture, and it looks like it's out of a magazine or from the Pottery Barn. And when we sit and we watch these videos, I included, I start to find myself comparing my home, my furniture, my lifestyle to those on YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest or whatever, I'm looking at the moment. But I'm here today to tell you that if you have a home, if you have food in your pantry, food on your table, a place to rest your head, you are incredibly blessed, my friend. We see so many influencers and Pinterest perfect homes that it's really easy to compare our lifestyle and our home to what we see on the other side of our screens. But I'm here to tell you today that real homes, real lives are messy, they're lived in, and they're very well loved. Choosing contentment is very liberating. It allows us to let go of the unrealistic expectations that we see in our society today and on social media, and it allows us to live our lives to the fullest. There are days that I wake up and find myself complaining and grumbling about the millions of things I need to do to make my house look presentable, but in the grand scheme of things, I'm very grateful and blessed that I have a house to clean, that I have dishes to wash, that I have animals to feed, that I have a family to care for, and a home for us to rest our heads. If you find yourself sitting there and being discontented with your home, your lifestyle, and you find yourself comparing to others, maybe it's time that we should put down our phones and be productive in our own homes to make it the way we want it to be. My kitchen is the one place in our house that gets the most clutter because we enter in through the garage and into my laundry room and straight into my kitchen. So we always have boxes that need to be burned. The table becomes a catch-all. And because I don't have a sewing room, my sewing machine will sit under the counter if I'm using it regularly. Someone once told me that even if you lived in a log cabin with a dirt floor, if that dirt floor was swept and the home was tidy, your home would be fit for a king. Sometimes a little elbow grease is needed. As I pulled the trash can away to vacuum, I noticed the wall was filthy. So it's time to get out a sponge and scrub her down. So we've got some snow here in Idaho, and it's been sticking around. Our coop seems to be holding up okay. And our ducks are good. A little update on the rooster. We ended up getting rid of him because he just was too aggressive, and I just didn't want to deal with that. So now we are free to enter the coop and visit our ladies. And there's Joe Boy. Hi, Joe Boy. He's got his winter blanket on and he seems to be doing good. Hi, buddy. Hi. What do you think? Huh? Are you staying warm? I literally hate the winter because the pasture just becomes nothing but a mud hole. But while we have the snow, it is pretty. But when it starts to melt, it's not fun. Nice thing about winter is we get to burn all of our boxes and paper. So that saves on us having to go to the dump. All right, let's go inside and clean the fireplace out and get a fire going. This is our Defiant wood stove, and although there was a learning curve to using it, I absolutely love having a real wood fireplace to heat our home.